when you get home. Don't worry, you won't be lonely, but you have fun when you get home.
That's the second budgie from Jolly's. You're gonna look after it.
Now we're gonna see what happens when this budgie sees this budgie. Okay. Guys, open the door. Come on. Fly.
No, put it down. Keep it down. It'll come out.
Fly.
Put your hand in it.
Okay, come on.
Leave it.
What's that? Come on, oh, budgie, look. It's the friend.
Sammy, don't move about. You're gonna.
Look. Shoving the other one.
Where is it?
Go on, land.
Fast.
Look at it.
I'm good.
It's tired.
The other one's not bothered.
Come on, come on.
Look, we're going to win in my head.
It's getting tired, you can tell. Well,
You win in my head again.
Right, leave it. It's gonna fly.
He doesn't care.
Let me try it.
He doesn't care. He doesn't care.
Is it okay?
What are you doing? Banging your head. Keep banging its head. It's gonna end up snapping its neck.
doesn't that one care at all? I thought it'd be more happy.
The other budgie not bothered.
I thought it'd be more happy. Oh,
Look, it's gonna start. He's not bothered.
Look behind you. Look behind you, girlfriend. I'm going to look at there's a big.
I have to grab it. Look, you keep banging itself. You end up knocking itself out.
Look behind you. Look behind you. Something behind you. No. Look behind you.
You bring the green one out.
okay.
Come on.
Bring it out.
That one doesn't care. They don't seem to be friends. Look, you're friends. The
Open the door.
Okay, I'll open the door for you. They wanna. They not wanna talk and stuff.
Shy.
Oh, buddy. No, buddy. Oh, buddy. Buddy.
Yeah, let's just leave them to settle in. Well, the new one, and one we bought 10 days ago. Tomorrow they'll be flying around chirping, and we're gonna clip your wings so you don't bang your head. You did it 3-4 times, didn't it?
Two.
No, more. 4 times. So I do it 4 times. First, then twice. 3 times, yeah, maybe. Let's see what happens when I put my hand. Oh, it's flying.
With who?
They were fighting. He nipped it. Ouch. No.
He's fighting against you.
No, they're fighting against each other. What was that?
Don't like it.
He wasn't doing that before. He's showing off. He's showing off to the other budgie.
You made it angry.
No, he's saying, you know what he's saying? He's saying, this is my cage. You don't come into my cage telling me what to do.
Let me try.
It's gonna do the same to you, yeah. Let me try.
So they're doing it to Dad.
Let me try.
Why are you touching his head?
I wanna see if it bites me. It don't bite me.
Yeah.
No. Did you see that? Did you see that?
Yes.
It's an aggressive budgie.
Maybe that one's a boy and that one's a girl.
Maybe they're both boys. You don't know which is which.
Remember, he said I was a girl, and do you remember that?
I don't like you, Dad.
What the hell? You're supposed to be friends. Supposed to be friends.
I'm sorry for the blue one.
Oh,
Someone.
they're attacking each other.
Let me try. Let me see.
Wait. Why are they attacking each other? You're supposed to be friends. They stuck. They might be just getting friendly.
Getting friendly.
saying this is my cage. You come into my cage. You don't mess with me. I'm the boss here. It's not getting on. Neither one of your budgies getting on with each other.
But one of them sleepy. Why are they both sleepy?
Might be tired. Look, that one's was pecking at the other one, telling it I'm boss. I thought it's supposed to be males. They gave us 2 females. That's what they've done. That's why they like that.
Or maybe they gave us 2.
They gave us 2 females. Useless. Can't even tell us what gender the budgies are. Jollies.
But Jolly, please. But the little one is like nice.
No!
The green one's being mean.
Why are you tucking it?
We thought you were lonely, so we got you another one.
You don't like because it's female, isn't it? They're giving us female.
At least they don't bite me.
He said purple. If it's brown, it's a girl. If it's purple, it's a boy.
That's purple, that's brown.
Yeah. That's what they said.
I like the blue one better. I don't like the green one
I do.
that much.
I don't like it. I like the green one. I like
It's gonna nip you, Annie. He's in a bad mood since we brought the other budgie.
Hey, I don't like you anymore.
They're nipping each other.
It's mainly the green one.
Stop nipping, you cruel budgie.
It's the
If
green
you
one.
be naughty, Will.
I thought he'd be happy because he got a friend. Though he was lonely. I like the blue one now.
Why are you nipping?
The blue one's nice. I wasn't even going for you. Just because I like your friend more than you.
Liza, why are they so naughty, your budgies?
Not both of them, just the green one. The blue one hasn't done anything. Maybe he's jealous.
It's young, that's why.
Maybe he's jealous because this one can fly and that one can't.
No.